Hi everyone, so today this is what I cook. This is green jackfruit with coconut milk. There you go, it's a vegan dish. And also a special fried rice, chicken fried rice with green peas and fish. This is a smoked fish. We are having dinner. You can watch us having dinner. They are not happy. Smile, JP. Be on my YouTube. They're not used of the camera. Aren't you, Simon and JP? It's delicious. Not my own. Yeah, so I put some chili on it just to get a little bit of kick. You ran out of rice already?
Any more?
No. Okay, I can give you more.
Thank you.
Have some rice then.
Okay. Thank you.
JP obviously love my rice. It's in my Facebook for the recipe. It's 3 in 1. The fried rice. That save us electric. The meat is ready. Do you like it, Jape?
The peas make it worse.
That's the only vegetable you have.
Okay.
So how's your school?
That's right.
Only right?
I did rugby today.
Yeah, you're going to
Youth.
Yeah. So you're going to what's that tomorrow? It's raining though. Kain. Sarap.
Mum has
Oh yeah, my kimchi. Yes. Thank you, Gabe.
and chopsticks.
Kimchi, homemade kimchi. This is organic homemade kimchi.
You didn't make that.
No, not me, but my friend.
Oh.
Did I say I made it?
You said homemade.
Yeah, it is homemade. They made it. But yeah, how do you say it then? Tell me, how do you say it?
What?
That is homemade. It's not
I
me.
made
homemade.
it. Or you could just say, my friend made this.
Yeah, homemade. Yeah. All the ingredients are organic. This is my second bottle.